Welcome to the Project Management Planning and Control Series, Lecture 4. In this lecture, we'll learn about business case and project sponsor. Let's start business case before any project begins. There has to be a clear reason for doing it. Whether it's to save money, improve a service, or ideally both. That's where the business case comes in. This document lays out the key benefits and the main parameters of the project. It's usually created by the client or the project sponsor, and they essentially become the owner of that business case. It's their responsibility to justify why the project is worth doing. A business case, in effect, outlines the why and what of the project, as well as making the financial case by including the investment appraisal. As with all documents, a clear procedure for developing the business case is highly desirable, and the following headings give some indication of the subjects to be included. 1. Why is the project required? 2. What are we trying to achieve? 3. What are the deliverables? 4. What is the anticipated cost? 5. How long will it take to complete? 6. What quality standards must be achieved? 7. What are the performance criteria? 8. What are key performance indicators, KPI? 9. What are the main risks? 10. What are success criteria? 11. Who are the main stakeholders? Before any project gets the green light, one thing needs to happen first. The business case has to be prepared. This document is the starting point. It's the very first thing that gets submitted to the organization's leadership or directorate. Why? So they can evaluate the goals, benefits, and overall value of the project before any money is spent. Now here's something important. The person who prepares the business case is usually not the project manager. Instead, it's someone with a vested interest in seeing the project move forward. That person is typically a director or senior leader from the client side, specifically assigned to oversee the project. We call this person the project sponsor. The project sponsor does a lot more than just kickstart or champion the project. Their role doesn't end once the project begins. In fact, it continues throughout. Even after things are up and running, the sponsor is still actively involved and responsible for several key areas, including: first, they keep an eye on the project manager's performance, making sure everything stays on track. They're always checking that the main goals and success criteria of the project are being met. It's their job to make sure the project runs not just efficiently, but effectively too. When changes or variations come up, the sponsor is the one who assesses their need and feasibility and decides whether to approve them. They also play a crucial role in resolving issues with other stakeholders, smoothing out any conflicts that might slow things down. One of their biggest responsibilities? Making sure the project has the resources it needs, especially the funding. They act as the project's top-level advocate, representing it to the company's board and leadership. And finally, they make sure that the expected benefits of the project actually get delivered in the end. Depending on the value, size, and complexity of the project, the sponsor is a key player who, as a leader and mentor, can greatly assist the project manager to meet all the project's objectives and key performance indicators. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lecture helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on project management, planning, and control. See you in the next video.